how to download Trust Wallet on your Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download Trust Wallet on your Android. So first, simply head over to your Play Store and just search in for Trust Wallet under the Trust search section. So once you simply search in for Trust Wallet, just tap on this particular option, that is your Trust Wallet application itself. So for your confirmation, it has over 50 million plus downloads. So just tap on this and simply click on install, and based on your internet connection, it should be automatically downloaded and installed on your device just like that. So these apps will basically help you to explore NFT collection and access thousands of Web 3D applications. So just wait for a few seconds until it downloads and installs on your device. So once it gets downloaded, just tap on this open button to simply open the application. And if you have already a wallet, so you can simply click on I already have a wallet. If you don't have, just click on this create new and simply enter your passcode. And once you set your passcode, it maybe ask you to biometric login. You can simply confirm it just like this and simply use your biometric as well. And just like that, you can skip for now and simply start using your wallet, Trust Wallet, just like this. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.